This is an important milestone in the annals of the armed forces of Nigeria, especially the troops engaged in operation in various theaters. This demonstrates the commitment and the importance the federal government attaches to the fight against insurgency, criminalities, and the welfare of personnel. Some of you may recall that in my inaugural speech as president, I promised to put an end to Boko Haram insurgency, which hitherto has posed a grave threat to Nigeria's territorial integrity. It gives me great honor and privilege to address this important gathering at this auspicious occasion of the commissioning of 700 Ashok Leyland motors are truth-carrying vehicles. This is yet another significant milestone amongst many initiatives of the President Muhammad Buhari's administration in repositioning the armed forces of Nigeria to tackle contemporary security challenges in the country. And notwithstanding, the current administration has security as a priority in its agenda. Hence, the need to equip the armed forces with all necessary platforms to ensure peace and security in the country. Very importantly, this administration is cognizant of the significance of truth and logistics mobility for effective operational efficiency.